Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video I am going to try and fuse these two western hemlocks and get them into like a semi-cascade style. I've had them for a while and I've stared at them for ages wondering what I'm going to do with them, and I got given some vet tape or some elastic bandage type stuff from Gavin at Not Another Bonsai channel, so I thought I'd give it a go and fuse these two trees together. So I'll set you up and we will crack on. So firstly we just need to get them out of the pot, check the roots, check how far down the roots go and take it from there. So I'm going to start with the bigger pot, I think. Now as you can see, I got these, well, the forest that I got them from, the soil is very clayey, so I think what I'm going to do is just leave them in the clay for a minute just to see, you know, and then once they've fused and grown together, so maybe in a year or so I will then repot them, get all the clay off and put them in some proper soil. So yeah, I'll leave that one as it is, and then we'll go on to the second one. Okay, so there's not many roots on that one at all. I'm surprised it's still alive, to be honest, but hopefully, you know, get it in some decent soil. In a year or so there'll be more roots coming out of that. So now we're going to crack on with fusing them together. Start by getting rid of these tiny ones here. That gives us plenty of space to stick the tape then. So, kind of want it to sit together like that. And then from there on, just fuse those bits there, and then hopefully I'll have enough space to put in some bends and some wire. So this is the elastic bandage type stuff that Gavin sent me. Thanks for that, Gavin. Let's give it a go. So there we go, that's all stuck together. We'll give it a while. I'm going to not touch these for a year, maybe after I've planted them back up. The advantage with this is it'll also protect the trunk from any wire marks from when you wrap the wire around it, which I will do once I put it back in the pot, which I'll do now. So there they are, joined together and back in the pot. I'm now going to put some wire around it and try and get some sort of shape out of it. I'll just clean this mess up a minute. Right, I'm back. So I think initially I want to get it to kind of go out over the pot like that. So I'm going to use 3mm wire just for this base bit here, and then I'll use smaller gauge wire on the rest of it. So because that's the longest one. So I kind of bend like that maybe. Bring this one up. I'm just going to start by taking all of the needles off the branch rather than wiring over them. And we'll see what happens. And we will take that long piece off just to try and keep this nice and compact.
Dreams don't work unless you do. Create your future. Be the future and build the future. Dreams don't work unless you do. Create your future. Be the future and build the future. Dreams don't work unless you do. Create your future. Be the future and build the future.
So there we are, guys. My fusion semi-cascade western hemlock. I'm not sure how I feel about it, to be honest. Only time will tell. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to give me a like, sub and a share, and I will catch you in the next one. Cheers for now.